According to the City of San Antonio COVID-19 surveillance data, the highest number of COVID-19 cases are among adults between 20 and 50 years old. That same data shows people ages 60 and up are at a higher risk of dying from the virus. Shortly after the virus hit our region, Windcrest Police kicked off a program to protect the most vulnerable, seniors.
We have a lot of retired military and retired individuals that live in our city.
Windcrest Police Patrolman Mark Dumas
Do you need anything?
checks up on a handful of retired seniors daily.
Hi, Miss Dindy, how you doing? You're doing okay today?
On this day, it was 83-year-old Adele Dendy. She asked for officers to check in on her.
Especially during the pandemic when we are not seeing our friends, not participating in our organizations, and are kind of sheltering at home. Just thought it would be a good idea for someone to do a daily contact.
How you doing? You doing okay?
The welfare check program was started shortly after COVID-19 restrictions kicked up in Bexar County.
We had a lot of elders that were dependent on their family members or somebody checking up on them. They're not able to make it to the store, so they depend on somebody.
Well, I'm glad to hear it, okay?
He says it takes just a few minutes for the officers to call or drop by.
We knock on their door, we call them, and we just ask how their day is doing, how they're feeling, if there's anything that they need.
Can you call us, okay?
Dumas says none's taken him up on the offer, but they appreciate the service.
The individuals that we check up on see a face every day instead of just being at home without, knowing what's going on.
Police say it breaks up their routine too. Different officers split up the welfare checks between morning and afternoons. Dendy thinks the program should continue beyond the pandemic if possible.
There are some other senior citizens who, they can't drive, they don't get out, they don't have the flexibility that I do.
You be safe. Bye.
And many police agencies answer welfare check requests. Call the department in your city to ask for help checking in on a senior.